Hello my friend, welcome to BSJ Showroom. I'm Maiden. Today I'll be giving a tour of what we got on display here. BSJ is a leading innovative IoT solution provider. We provide things like mobile DVRs, Dashcams, GPS trackers, and other intelligent products. So let's head over and check them out.
As you see, it's a series of mobile DVR. This is one of our mobile DVR called ED0AR. ED0AR is an advanced fleet management solution designed to provide business with dependable, real-time monitoring capabilities. It features 8-channel video recording, GNSS positioning, and AI-driven safety features such as ADAS and DMS, BSD, and 360-degree panoramic view. The device is equipped with a micro SD card and a hard disk, enabling the secure and reliable preservation of critical data. Additionally, it could provide RS-232 and RS-485 serial ports for optional peripherals. In addition to this model, we also offer mobile DVR products that support 4-channel video recording to meet different demands.
Meanwhile, we offer quick install and more cost-effective video telematic product, Dashcam. If you focus on quick installation and cost effectiveness, Dashcam is recommended. This model is EH15V1. EH15V1 is an advanced in-vehicle intelligent device that integrates GPS positioning, 4G communication, Wi-Fi, and video processing technologies. It supports 6-channel high-definition video recording, including 2 channels of 1080p and 4 channels of 720p. The device can be equipped with ADAS, DMS, and BSD algorithm. Additionally, it can provide an RS-232 serial port for optional peripherals. By utilizing precise GPS positioning, EH15V1 facilitates efficient vehicle dispatch and emergency assistance services. Now you can see our GPS tracker here. This part shows our wireless GPS trackers, and next to it will be our wired GPS trackers. Okay my friends, here comes one of our wired GPS tracker, a newly developed and launched product, KG22. KG22 is a compact and waterproof GNSS terminal designed for vehicles. It supports LTE communication. The device operates within a wide voltage range of 990 VDC, making it compatible with various vehicle types. KG22 has been optimized for power efficiency, featuring multiple optional modes that achieve reduced power consumption. Additionally, the terminal is equipped with advanced features such as data upload from signal-blind areas, ignition status notifications, remote cutoff capability, abnormal vehicle status alarm, etc. As for the certificates, we have a sound certificate system of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, etc. and hold a series of product certificates such as CE, UKCA, ROSE, and other relevant certificates. Besides, we have a strong R&D capabilities and have obtained a series of product patents and software copyrights. What's on this wall is some of our intellectual property. As one of the leading players of IoT industry in China, we achieved annual sales volume of 8 million in GPS and another 300,000 in mobile DVR. And around the world, our products are widely used in China, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, North America, etc. We have confidence to be your strong partner and supply quality products to grow your business. Well, that pretty much covered what we have in the showroom. Now I believe you have a rough understanding about who we are and what we do. If any products catches your eyes, feel free to let me know. Send us a message anytime and we will get back to you soon. By the way, we are going to be at the Commercial Vehicle Show in the UK from April the 29th to May the 1st, 2025. Our stand is 5B02. It will be great to see you there. Bye.